Saturday, June 27 siguro. At maaraw ngayon, wala nang ulan sa Perth. So, gagala kami, pupunta kami ng Yanchep Beach. So, ito yung outfit natin. Yan. Medyo malamig pa sa labas. Tapos, dadalhin natin yung car ni Javi. And ball. And may mga food tayong dala dyan. Yan. Let's go! So, ayan siya guys. Dala niya na yung trolley. Tapos, yung car, punong-puno na ng mga camping chairs. Ganon. And, andito yung bata natin. Welcome back to the vlog, Javi. It's been a while. Hindi na tayo naka-vlog. Yes. What's this? Ano ni?
Pillow.
Pillow? Din kinabutang ang pillow?
My neck.
Sa neck gali. O, naka full on kasi medyo malamig ngayon. Pero tayo is naka dress lang tayo dito. And papunta na dito. Baka na dito na sila ni Kelvs.
Sa aton de?
Kumaluan ito. Why not? Yay! Let's go!
Let's go, me.
So, andito na po kami.
Good, thank you. You? Yeah, I'll pay with
$17
cash.
yung entrance.
Yep.
And tulog po yung bata namin. And andito yung kasama namin. Yan yung kasama namin po na magpa-park dito.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Yan siya. Park.
Where are we? Where are we, Mom?
In the park.
The park?
Yeah.
This playground park?
Mm-mm.
Where's my pillow?
Aria. Mom's gonna guide you. Okay, Mom's gonna guide you. Dito na kami.
Our shoes that fit.
Your shoes can fit, ba? Let me check.
Oh, what?
Let's take it off. Oh, Mama's here. Mama's here. Oh, hold na si Mama. Oh, go.
Wants to race.
Be careful. Be careful. Race with Margot. Sana all. Drive properly. Watch the road. Oh. Good job.
Funny.
Siya lang po yung nagda-drive niyan. May push button lang po dyan, yung red. The red. Bip, bip! Bip, bip!
Kainin niya. At babaunin niya. Tapos sabi niya, Mami, alis po ako ng after lunch. Nagmamadali naman ako. Kasi alis siya
I love mo na yung ano natin.
pag may lakad kinabukas, so talagang
Sarap nung ano, cinnamon.
Oh, sarap naman yan.
ganin mo to.
Lagot ka, Julius.
Lagot ka.
Saan kayo bumili ng sinabon?
Oo nga.
Tito Julius talaga.
Tumitinis na yung boses.
What's the sound of the kangaroo? Meh. What's the sound?
Ano, kanola.
Kanola. Mabubuhay nga ako.
Kanola.
Hindi sana, hindi pata.
May mumu.
May ano, parang pang-hike talaga dyan.
May lumalabas yung mga sa horror house.
Hindi nagugulat lang sa concept.
Why? How many rocks did you see? A lot of them.
Sila si Jaja.
Ayun eh, yung gray na type 500, parang wallaby yata.
Sabi namin, kangaroo!
Isa niya, wallaby yan kasi yung tingnan yung shape ng tenga.
Oo.
Yan yung
Gingerbread cookies. What's that, my love? What's that? Gingerbread cookies. Show it to mom, show. Wow, you like it? That's good. Ayan, nandito na po kami ngayon sa Starbucks. Isang drink lang yung kinain namin. So, andito na po kami ngayon sa labas ng ramen dahil magdi-dinner po kami dito. May pila. Yan. So, kakagaling lang namin sa Yan Chef. So, yan na. So, andito na po yung ramen namin. Kain na kami, guys. Yan, para sa kids. Let's eat. Gugu, sasa? Ay, hindi pwede. Hi guys! So, andito po kami ngayon papunta sa school ni Javi. Balcata Primary School. Where are we going?
To my school.
Yay! Magpapa-enroll po kami sa kanya. Mag-start pa siya ng school next year, January or February yata. Pero yung bracket na January to June na birthday is, yun na yung ano, yung papasok next year. So, let's go. Hey. Hi, are you excited to go to school?
Yeah. But one thing, rock,
What are we doing today?
one thing, rock,
Hey, face mama first. What are we doing today?
one thing, rock, and hey.
Let's go! So, yan yung field sa labas. And dito yung entrance. Oh, there's a playground, my love, in your school.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, beware of children. Konti lang yung car park. And, tignan natin mamaya. Yan yung playground, guys. Yan yung school. May basketball area doon. Ito may kindergarten center. So, pauwi na kami, guys. Nag-iwan lang kami ng mga requirements. So, yun. Next year, tignan natin kung ano, waitlist pa naman siya. O ma-enroll siya. And then, next year, start na siya ng school. Time flies. School na. Oh, yeah.
Tubig na.